Hi, so I've got a 6S that's come in for possible Tristar. This guy's admitted to using bad charges on his phone. He went on his jet ski on the weekend, came in and didn't have any touch, and he has complained about Tristar problems as well. The touch issues were resolved with the new screen. Touch works perfectly fine. So now the only thing left is the Tristar. Now, if I look at the USB emitter, you can see. Shit, I'm actually. It's kind of upside down for you there, but you can see the phone's drawing 0.39 amps, which is really low for a 6S. So we're going to do a Tristar replacement on it and see how we go. Okay, so we know the Tristar is underneath the shield on a 6S, which we can break off, or some people grind it off. I don't really like grinding because it leaves the metal shavings everywhere, but I just usually bend it up. And then it keeps the shield there and we can bend it back down later. So just a little bend like that. And we cover our NAND because we don't want heat getting to the NAND because then we get data loss. And we don't want that. So NAND is covered and my heat gun just broke. Now I've got melted plastic all over my heat gun. It's going to add some cool smoke effects to the video. Cool. Okay. And it should come off any second. There we go. Tristar's off. A little bit more flux. And we're tightening up the balls underneath the bottom of the IC so that they're all nice and level, so when we put our new one on, it doesn't sit lopsided. Imagine trying to put a flat IC on top of that. It's going to look like absolute crap. So straighten that up. Trickiest part is trying to get underneath that shield there to get those balls at the back, which I just fluked. Clean it up a little bit, we'll get rid of our flux. We'll put new flux down when we do the IC, but this will let us check the pads a bit better. Make sure they are perfect, which they are. Looking good. little bit of flux, so I don't want the IC flowing everywhere. There's our new Tristar. And we make sure the orientation's right. We want it facing to the right, like the old one was. I really don't understand how many shops in the coast aren't doing this now after the amount of videos that I put on here showing how to do it. If some dumbass like me can do this, I don't know why. No one else can. Okay. Tristar's on, we got a flux down, and the heat again, we're just watching for the little wiggle. But we'll kind of see this solder here melt first, so I'm kind of using that as an indicator. So see how that's gone soft now. Now we watch the IC, and it should wiggle. Oh, maybe I've got it on perfect. Maybe I flicked that. Yeah, see? That's good. Little clean, we don't have to clean much because we didn't use a lot of flux, which is good. We'll clean it up a bit more before it goes out the door, but this is good enough to test with. And then we go tweezers and we'll bend that shield back down so it doesn't look like it's been touched. A little bit of a bend there, you can kind of tell, obviously. But let's just put it back in the frame and we'll see what current it draws now. And I reckon the current draw will be back to normal. Put, and make sure these cables are back in nice and neatly. So I can't even get the cable in. I can do the Tristar, I just can't put a little cable under a shield. Oh, get up over that. Perfect. Now we don't need to go fitting all the other parts in, we just want it connected for the purpose of testing to make sure we didn't screw the Tristar up. And it's just got to charge up a little bit. 0.6. There you go. So we've got a nice solid 1.3 now. Sweet. So that's how you do a Tristar.